Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to request account and business activity report on the WhatsApp business application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option, and after that click on account. Tap on request account info. Here you can request account report, so create a report of your WhatsApp account information and settings, which you can access or port to another app. This report doesn't include your messages, so tap on this button, and as you can see, your report will be ready in about 3 days. And you will have a few weeks to download your report after it's available. And you can also send a request for your business activity report. So the app will create a report of notices from WhatsApp, including catalog item approvals, policy violations, and review statuses. So click on this button again, and your request has been sent. You can download your report. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.